How you doing, guys? It's 8:40 p.m. coming from Kansas City, Missouri right now. I wish I would have had this out here earlier. You would not believe what I just see. I just seen, it looked like 6 meteorites had just come overhead. They were glowing green across here. And then they looked like they were making a tremendous sound too. It just came through. But on top of it, there was also a military jet that just went over. Unbelievable. Oh my God. I'm gonna keep watching here, guys. Pretty wild. That would be coming in, let's see here. Right now, that would have been a couple minutes ago. I'm looking south right now. That came in easterly from the southeast, going, it would be north, directional northwest is the way it was going when it came down. But I've never heard a meteor ever. I mean, these were, like I say, 6 of them. They actually were making sound as they were coming down. Just a small, quick little video, guys. Have a good one.